All right, today we're going to talk about my favorite bronzers. We're going to start off with my favorite cream bronzer right now. I'm looking for a more affordable option, so bear with me while I try to find that. But it is the Fenty Cream Bronzer. I have mine in the shade Macchiato 3. Macchiato, I think. This is really easy to work with. I usually just like pile drive it on underneath, like if I'm going to do like powder foundation or concealer or whatever. I'll just pile drive it on. It blends so easily. You really, I mean, you can overdo it, but you like it's hard to overdo it. So that's why I really like this one. It is on the more expensive side, but it's got this like creamy emollient texture to it. And it's just really easy to work with. It's got good payoff, but it's not like too much. You're not gonna have like stripes all over your face. You'll probably see me in my videos like just pile driving it on. Then it like looks good after you do the rest of your face. Next one is the Essence Matte Bronzer. I have the shade the lighter skin. I like this. It smells really good. It's got a light coconut scent to it. I do like this. It's really easy to work with. It does have a little bit more pigment to it. So if you're looking for that like more bronze look, like I'll probably start using this now here towards the end of spring and summer just because it's a little bit more pigmented. But I do really like this. It looks really nice. It's really blendable and it's $5 for this huge pan. A bronzer that I'm really not liking right now is the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. It just is a weird, it came and it was like super kind of oily and now it's like kind of dry. I just don't like the consistency and it's just really hard to get any pigment payoff, adding a lot to the face. And it just doesn't seem to like stay. So I am not digging the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. The e.l.f. bronzer that I am liking is the e.l.f. Primer Infuse Bronzer. This is the shade Forever Sunkissed. I just love this. It just gives the lightest, like I'll put it on underneath like a powder or something. And I'm wearing it today and it just gives like the lightest, like most natural structure to the face underneath. Like if I put on like a little bit of powder over top, like powder foundation, it'll just kind of like blend together and even everything out. This tone is perfection. It's like cool-ish, so it's like contour-y, but then also has like a little bit of warmth to it. So it's like a little bit of like bronzy. I just really, really love this. And this is so affordable. So this is my favorite right now.